everyone, welcome back to Sunny Dietary, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Emzini Family Legacy from the 4th to the 8th of May 2026 on Monday. Gogo ongabizwa ngegama is shaken by a vision warning of blood and rushes to warn Shaka that his life is in danger on Tuesday. Shaka confirms that Zakhele has truly ordered a hit on his life and responds by confronting him directly at gunpoint, forcing him to cancel the assassination on Wednesday. Panyaza is granted parole, crushing Risang while validating Duduzile's long effort to secure his release. And in prison, Upanyaza celebrates the news of his coming freedom on Thursday. Zakhele shut down Emzini after Bandile failed party and humiliates him for nearly ruining the business. They reluctantly considers bringing Shaka and Duduzile back on Friday. Zakhele proposes a truce and asks Shaka and Duduzile to return, but Shaka demands full control while Duduzile pushes for an outright sale. Zakhele refuses and the pair walks away. Well guys, that's what I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.